So welcome to another Maths with Paddy video where we talk about an idea or theorem from mathematics and do an example always in less than 5 minutes. Okay. So today we're going to talk about the limit of a product function. Okay. Limit of a product of two functions. Okay. Limit of product of functions. Okay. And we're going to come up with a nice result and then do a very simple example. Okay, so we can say that if we have two functions, f of x and g of x, and both of the limits exist for these functions. Okay, so if the limit of f of x equals L1, and that exists, and the limit of g of x equals L2. Okay, if these both exist, what can we say? Then we can say that the limit of the product of these two functions, the limit of, so the product of the two functions, which is f of x, okay, multiplied by g of x, okay, the limit of these two multiplied together is equal to the limit of f of x, okay, multiplied by the limit of g of x, okay, g of x, and that is equal to L1 multiplied by L2, okay. So that's kind of the theorem in relation to the limit of the product of two functions. So an application of this is if we consider, okay, the limit of a product of many functions, okay. So we'll have f1 of x by f2 of x, okay, and there's many of these, okay, all the way up to n functions, okay. So if we have a limit of this big product of functions, we can say that this is equal to the limit of f1 of x, okay, by the limit of f2 of x, okay, multiplied by the limit of the last function, which is f of n sub x, okay, yeah. So it's a limit of, so basically it's a product of the limit of all these functions. So the nice result is uh, if all these functions are equal. Okay, so if f1 equals f2, okay, equals etc., all the way up to our nth function, fn, if they're all equal, then we can come up with a nice result that the limit of this nth product of the same function. Okay, so sorry, so f of x. Okay, so limit of this nth product is equal to basically the limit of f of x. Okay, we just get the limit of f of x, and then we can just multiply it essentially n times in order to evaluate it. So this is handy. An application of this is that if we want to get the limit of x to the 4, okay, as x approaches 3, okay. So this is like, you know, a function x multiplied by itself like 4 times, so x to the 4. So basically what all we have to do is sub in 3, evaluate that sub in 3, and you can just get 3 to the power of 4. This is essentially an application of this nice result that we had here. Okay. So I hope that maybe helps. Thanks, see you next time.